Digitalization is probably a term you've heard before, right? But do you know what it really means? Digitalization in the original sense refers to converting analog values to digital formats like fax to email, paper to files on a computer, photos to JPEGs, and so forth. But what does digitalization mean for us at BHS Corrugated? Well, we want to use the opportunities of digitalization internally as well as externally for our customers. Within the scope of this external use, we analyze production and process data to make life as easy as possible for our customers. If requested, corrugators of BHS Corrugated are constantly connected to our platform, so we can anticipate when the customer needs what spare part. But to make that work, we have to focus on ourselves as a company too. To remain up there with the best, we want to use the opportunities of digitalization internally as well. That means every process along the value chain has to be optimized. Our goal: not only complex project management processes have to become digital. Submitting your holiday request will be done digitally from now on too. And how we get there is part of the next segment. Before BHS Corrugated becomes 100% digital, we have to meet a couple of requirements. Especially important, all the data has to be present and uniformly structured. Just as important, the IT has to provide the framework needed, and HR has to know which skill we, the employees, need for the digitalization and how we can acquire them. And here is what that means in full detail. We need a comprehensive corporate system and software architecture. We need interconnected and efficient business processes. We have to examine data and derive improvements from that data. And we have to communicate effectively with each other. But more than anything, we as Team BHS Corrugated have to develop the ability to identify and use the opportunities of the digitalization. We know that sounds like a lot of work, but none of it is happening overnight. Right now, we are looking at the current situation. After we wrap up this extensive analysis of every project and process, we develop a detailed schedule for the digitalization in cooperation with the IT. And the moment we know where we want to go, we start training for our goal, Digital BHS Corrugated, as a team. The team is also where the focus lies, because we are not alone in this. The entire team operational excellence is by our side, in addition to support contacts in every department and project management experts who implement digitalization projects. That is how BHS Corrugated becomes digital as a team.